Welcome back to Auto Fusion, the home of detailed car reviews, honest impressions, and the latest in the automotive world. Today, we're taking a closer look at a car that's always been a strong contender in the mid-size sedan segment, the 2026 Honda Accord. Honda has given the Accord a fresh twist this year with subtle design changes, improved tech, and a refined driving experience. If you're in the market for a reliable, stylish, and practical sedan, this one deserves your attention. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Accord keeps its sleek and sophisticated profile, but with a bit more edge. Honda has slightly sharpened the front fascia, added slimmer LED headlights, and refreshed the grille with a new mesh pattern. The rear end gets redesigned taillights and a cleaner bumper layout, giving it a more premium look. It's not a dramatic overhaul, but it's enough to make the Accord feel modern and upscale, especially in higher trims where you get 19-inch alloy wheels and blacked-out accents. Under the hood, you'll still find the same reliable engine. Choices: a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 that produces around 192 horsepower, and a more powerful 2.0-liter turbo engine offering 252 horsepower. Honda has fine-tuned both options for smoother power delivery and better efficiency. The continuously variable transmission, CVT, has been refined as well, offering less drone and more responsive performance. For those wanting maximum fuel economy, the hybrid variant continues to shine, with an estimated 48 mpg combined. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Accord feels even more driver-focused. Honda has gone with a minimalist design, similar to what we've seen in the Civic and CR-V, but with better materials and a more mature layout. The dashboard now houses a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen display on most trims, running Honda's latest infotainment software. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the new system is much more responsive and intuitive. You also get a fully digital instrument cluster, a wireless charging pad, and USB-C ports all around. Comfort-wise, Honda hasn't compromised. The front seats are supportive and well-bolstered, and there's generous legroom for both front and rear passengers. The cabin is quiet, thanks to improved insulation and active noise cancellation in higher trims. The trunk space remains class-leading, offering more than enough room for luggage, groceries, or weekend gear. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Accord continues to strike a perfect balance between comfort and agility. It's composed on the highway, nimble in the city, and the steering feels nicely weighted. Honda's suspension tuning offers a smooth ride over rough roads while keeping body roll to a minimum in corners. The hybrid model, thanks to its electrics, torque, feels surprisingly punchy in city driving. Honda Sensing, the brand's suite of safety features, is now more advanced than ever. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic jam assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. In the 2026 model, these systems have been calibrated for smoother intervention, giving drivers more confidence on the road. Overall, the 2026 Honda Accord builds on its already solid foundation with smarter tech, refined styling, and a driving experience that feels polished and dependable. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter, a family car, or just something that delivers great value, the Accord continues to deliver. That's it for today's review. Let us know what you think about the 2026 Honda Accord in the comments below. Would you pick this over the Toyota Camry or Hyundai Sonata? And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Fusion, and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest car reviews. See you in the next one.